Are you ready to create stunning interactive presentations, infographics, and content that actually grabs attention? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Genially. Whether you're a student, teacher, content creator, or business owner, Genially lets you design interactive slides, animated graphics, clickable images, and engaging presentations, even if you are a complete beginner without needing any design experience. So, if you want to level up your presentations and make your content stand out, make sure to watch until the end and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So, let's begin. Genially is an online platform that allows you to create interactive presentations, infographics, quizzes, reports, social media content, and even mini games, all without needing advanced design skills. So, what makes it different from traditional tools like PowerPoint? Well, you have interactivity, animations, clickable elements, and engaging visual experiences. And yes, if you are a teacher, they also have a classroom specific plans worth checking out. Now, before you start building everything inside Genuinely, it's important to understand that the pricing structure, because it's divided into two. Number one is going to be the plans, which is the general pricing plans and the plans for teachers. As you may notice, Genuinely offers a free plan with some powerful features are locked behind paid plans. The free plan is perfect if you are just getting started because you get to have all of these. For beginners, this is actually very generous, but here's the catch. You cannot download your work as MP4 video or certain formats, and some premium templates are locked. So if you are serious about content creation, this is where things gets interesting, so you get everything in free and then scale up to the pro plan, which is ideal for YouTubers like me, freelancers like you, small business owners, online educators, especially if you plan to monetize your content. This plan gives you so much flexibility. The master plan is for advanced users or teams because you get to have everything here, which is perfect for agencies, companies, and professional educators and business managing multiple projects. Now, before you get started, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below because creating an account here is super simple. All you have to do is choose the following option. You can choose the education, or if you're a part of a company and professionals or a student. In my case, I am choosing the second option. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, Microsoft, Clever, Facebook, or your own business and personal email and follow the on screen instructions. Before you start creating in Genially, you'll be asked some series of questions to personalize your experience. You will see two main options. Number one is the education and the corporate. Education is the perfect choice if you are creating interactive lessons, presentations for a class, quizzes, assignments, educational games, and learning materials. Of course, if you are a part of a company, business, or project, this is the option for you. I'm going to choose the first option. And as you may notice, you need to choose all of these options. So I am kind of a teacher who creates how-to videos for you guys. I'm going to choose the first option. Okay. And then from here, all I have to do is click the other and then click the continue. Because once you personalize your experience, Genially tailors everything from templates to suggestions to help you create faster and smarter. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the main platform of Genially. Now, on the left side panel of the platform, you will see multiple tools and features that we are going to explore. Let's begin with the homepage. This is essentially your main dashboard, wherein you can see your recent projects, quick access to create a new Genially, tips, updates, or featured content. So think of it as your control center where everything starts. After that is the content section. This is where your creations live. You will see that you have the option to create a space, folder. However, whenever you see icons like this one, it means you need to upgrade to the premium plan. But here, you can organize all your creations into folders, edit, duplicate, or delete your work. You can track your project status, especially if you have already created presentations, infographics, or quizzes. Now, this is where the magic happens. The templates gives you ready-made designs. So instead of you starting from scratch, you can browse templates for presentations, reports, social media. You can also filter by category, right? You have like digital publishing, videos, and a lot more. The template saves you time and help you create professional looking content faster. Let's say we are looking for something like how to. Press enter. Let's see what we got from the results. As you may notice, you have so many options here. Let's say I'm gonna choose this template right here. Okay, micro learning. If you click on it, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the template. You can view the intuitiveness of this specific template. If you want it, you can click the full screen. The share button allows you to copy the link, view genially, insert it to your website, or share it to your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr, Pinterest. You have all these options. The others, if you want to share your content with your maybe classroom via Google Classroom, your Microsoft Teams, you can do that. But for now, what we're gonna do is use this template because you can customize this template to reflect your brand, logo, and identity. Now click the continue button, and then you are on the main editor wherein you have multiple tools that you can use on the left side. Of course, you can customize the text if you wanted. For example, let's say we're gonna replace it something like this. Okay. Similar to other tools, you can move it around. You can make it a bit bigger, you can make it smaller depending on your purpose and intention. And then you can also add your own logo here by clicking the resources. You see, you can add your own image. I am going to resize the text so I can place our logo here properly. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to our YouTube channel so you'll get notifications to our Tolisto channel. Now moving forward, here you can insert an image, an audio, a video, and a lot more. For the style, if you wanted to add, say something like a different text, for example, if you are going to choose this background theme, you can add it to your canvas. All right, so it's up to you. And then for the background, if you wanted to make it interactive, let's say we're going to choose this color. If you want to click the show more to give more options, you can do that as well. Now on the top corner, if you wanted to check the presentation, click the show creation. It will create a mini slideshow, which is really helpful if you wanted to create interactive lessons to your classroom. I think we have created a basic but fun graphics for now. Remember earlier, when doing so, you have the ability to share it via copying the link, share it to maybe your clients and the link for feedback, or if you want, you can insert this to your website. You can also share this to social media and click the others if you want to share your content via your Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams. In a separate video, we are going to show you how to use Genially for interactive classroom, so we are going to skip this for now. And that's it. That's your complete beginner's guide on how to use Genially. As you've seen, Genially makes it super easy to create interactive presentations, infographics, quizzes, and so much more without needing advanced design skills. The interface is beginner friendly, the templates are professionally designed, and the interactive elements really help your content stand out. The free plan is more than enough to get started and explore its features, but if you find yourself using it regularly, creating client projects, or wanting more advanced tools and branding control, upgrading can definitely be a smart move. And remember, if you decide to scale up, you can always click the upgrade button inside your dashboard and choose the plan that fits your needs. And if you'd like to support the channel, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.